So I've got my cybernaut working, and I've noticed the sound is absolutely nothing like the other cybernauts I've seen on like YouTube. I mean, all the other cybernauts I've seen make little pew, 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 futuristic space gun noises, and this thing just kind of goes bing, bing, bing. I don't know if maybe that's an early ROM or there's more than one ROM available. It looks like somebody's been doing some jumpering on the cheap squeak, so this might not even be the original cheap squeak for the machine. It's got a cybernaut ROM on the MPU too. How you like that battery hookup? Isn't that great? I'd rather deal with that though than corrosion. So I guess I got lucky here. This thing is super clean as far as that issue goes. But what the hell do you guys think of this sound, man? It's so weird. And this thing's supposed to be going pew, pew, pew. And it's supposed to have a background noise that kind of goes whoop, whoop, whoop. It sounds like it's got a ROM for a different game in it or something. Maybe one of you guys will recognize the sound.